gassing up for a weekend in Vermont with Izzy, going to see the balloon festival and doing some bird sanctuary stuff. Hoping to have fun. The weather is looking beautiful. Hopefully it stays that way for the weekend. And if I can get this to gas up, I'll be happy.
Yeah, ready? Woo! Yippee!
Oh, I think I'm
You're in the fancy mode. Huh?
fancy mode. I'm in fancy mode. There's Vermont t-shirts. First time to the Vermont country store. I'd never been. Izzy's been a bunch of times.
Yeah.
So, figured I had to stop. Woke up about 4:45 this morning and drove down to Quechee. Unfortunately, they can't go up because it's too windy. So the balloons are over there. They're gonna blow one of them up, but just hanging out, just had breakfast, having some coffee. It's a beautiful day, but I guess it's a little, you can see the trees over there. They're blowing around a little bit. I guess it's a little bit too windy for the balloons to go up. Izzy and I are gonna figure out something to do, and then we're gonna go to the bird sanctuary later today. Spooky. How cold is it?
It's not bad,
Izzy living her best life.
I am. I'm so happy right now.
So that's the common crow. The raven is awesome. Parkour! Thank you for doing that. Yeah, you might have a wing issue.
Severely malnourished of fledgling, especially when she was growing.
Oh yeah, so the right wing is...
Her flight ability is perfect.
Yeah, see the right wing?
Yeah.
How much smaller the right wing is?
I'm so excited right now.
These guys will actually stand on top of each other's backs when there's a lack of perching, and typically the female's on top. She's usually the boss, not always. And then
Izzy's warming up to the tree fairies.
Oh yeah.
Wow. I didn't realize you were that high up. I wasn't even paying attention to it. And then all of a sudden I saw somebody walking down the bottom. I'm like, what the crap?
What the freak?
Yeah, that's pretty high up.
Nothing will be coming out of my pockets. Five giraffes talk. That's pretty awesome.
We got our bald eagle sighting. We saw a golden eagle in captivity and a bald eagle in the wild.
A bald eagle.
A bald eagle. A bald eagle in the wild.
America.
So I actually did this last night and it worked. And I'm gonna try it again and it probably won't work. So Izzy and I are getting our little bushcraft on. So I have a cotton ball that I put some Vaseline on, and it's on a tissue to make it easier. You spread it out and pull it like this, just to give it some area. And then we'll put it on here with our shavings and stuff. See if I can light it with my flint and steel. And last night it happened very quickly. I don't have high hopes tonight. We shall see. Look at that. Look at that. And there it went. Pretty good, pretty quick. Cool. Cool bushcraft. It looks like a Pizza Planet balloon. Like it has a slice of pizza on the side of it. A spaceship.
I thought it had sea creatures on it with its plates.
So after an early get up yesterday and no balloons because it was too windy, we're back today. We're up on the roof deck and we're going up. Successful weekend.
I agree.
At least we didn't waste the double wake up.
Yeah.
Oh, and we have parachuters coming down. So cool. So happy, finally. And then we get to go home and sleep.